Haven't vlogged, but I bought... Oh no, my chapstick.
Yeah.
I dropped my chapstick in the mud. Bought my dresser and a bookcase, which I'm excited about. And now we're going to visit my aunt. And I want to shoot one of my favorite... Yeah, one of my favorite things about this house. So pretty. So even though some snow's already melted, I have to shovel out because tomorrow is when I am getting my dresser and my bookcase delivered. And oh, I'm so excited for that. I meant to video what they look like today, but was kind of busy buying them. But I'm really happy that I finally have a place to put my stuff and not in bags in the house. But of course I wait until, you know, the lights are on, it's getting dark, and I can barely see to shovel. Oh well. What are you doing back there? Psst, psst. Why are you hiding? What'd you do? Scratch your belly. Oops, that wasn't good. I forgot to kind of vlog today again, huh? Oops. Well, Murphy and I, Murphy, let me film you. We're gonna go to bed because I'm tired. Right? You want to go to sleep? Yeah. Say good night. Good night.